Good morning and welcome back. Today we have Sergeant Thomas joining us from Macon Regional Crimestoppers. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you.
I'm excited. You have a big word of the day.
Not really.
Tell us what it is.
A word with big meaning.
Okay, there we go. What is it?
Confounded.
All right, break it down for us.
Well, the general definition is to surprise somebody, catch them off guard, so to speak. Words today are used in several different ways, but for the most part, it's our approach, right? You don't want to put somebody on their heels unintentionally with what you're saying. You may mean it one way, but it comes out another way because of the emphasis, right?
Right.
So it just relates back to consideration of others and choices that we make daily.
And so how does that apply when we're talking about our list today? What do you want people to do before they act?
Think.
Oh, well, that would be nice. That would be nice. We would not be here today, though, if that was the case.
That is the truth.
All right, so who do we have for our 5 wanted today?
All right, so on today's list, and we're trying a new format, so if you will, give us some feedback. Charles Jones, age 44, 6 foot at 150. Wanted by the Houston County Sheriff's Office for driving while his license was suspended. Also, willful obstruction of law enforcement. Milton Gray Jr., age 39, 5'6" at 245. Wanted by the Jones County Sheriff's Office for Superior Court violation of probation, original charges being child molestation and burglary. Stephen Johnson, age 37, 6 foot at 200. Wanted by the Monroe County Sheriff's Office for Superior Court bench warrant for possession of methamphetamine. Brittany Toms, age 30, 5'1" at 130. Wanted by the Crawford County Sheriff's Office for theft by taking felony. Rounding out the list,
Kenitri Barrett.
Thank you.
There we go.
Thank you. Kenitri Barrett, age 41, 5'3" at 201, wanted by the Bibb County Sheriff's Office, as well as U.S. Marshals for Superior Court. Nope. This is Kenitri Barrett. She is wanted for theft by shoplifting.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow. And it really is a wide range of crimes I want to talk about.
It is, because people are individuals, right? Everybody's got a reason for doing and making the choices that they make daily. So that's why we keep emphasizing, talking about, pointing, think before you act.
Right. And I think that is important. A lot of times we are seeing people just act out of anger, really just truthfully any emotion. It's where they're acting out of rather than thinking this through. I mean, we see it all around Middle Georgia. Sometimes you just act and you don't even think about what's going to happen after.
Exactly. And so if you take that moment to think, you have the opportunity to take the emotion out of your reaction, right? And or you can consider the other person's feelings of what you're fixing to say.
Right.
And the approach always makes a difference because emotion.
That's right.
How's the person going to react?
That's right. I do encourage people, think before you act and really take a pause. Pausing would help us out. All right, if you'd like to find out more about the 5 we spoke about today, or the list of wanted through Macon Regional Crimestoppers, you can head on over to our website, 41nbc.com. We'll have the full list and that information on there. Sergeant Thomas, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Monica.